What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day today. So let me show you what I'm working with today. My wife and I bought these new Lectric 3.0s, and they're great bikes. We picked these up off of Facebook Marketplace, but one of them, this is called the frame latch assembly. As you can see, it doesn't have the knob or the little clip to open it. So I have got to replace this, and Lectric was nice enough to send the people I bought these from a brand new one for free, which they should have, because this bike's got 11 miles on it. But I mean, it's plastic, stuff breaks, it is what it is. But I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this today, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm having to use a screwdriver to pull that lever forward and out. So let me get this opened up and I will show you guys how to replace this, hopefully. Alright guys, not sure, let's see. It's a little hole right here, and what it is a 2mm Allen key. As you can see, it's the 2mm. We're gonna undo that first and see where we go from there. I'm guessing there's a little, I don't even know what you would call it. I'm guessing it's gonna fall out down here. Well, nothing came out. Nothing up top. That should have been all that was holding it. Huh. Stand by, guys. Let me figure this out. Alright guys, this was a super easy fix. So the piece fell out. See, this side is threaded. That side is not threaded, so I don't know which way it went up. I'm guessing the threaded goes up on top. Oh yeah, and to get this off, I just slammed the latch, like flung it backwards a couple times, and it finally came out. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if it matters, because this little guy here goes back in this little hole, and what it does is it holds it up, so it won't let it go past, because the little screw or whatever is threaded in here. So I'm gonna guess it sits on this end. So I'm going with the threaded piece of this going back up. But that was it, guys. So now I'm gonna put it back together and show you guys that, and that's it. Alright guys, I got the new piece. The 2.0s come with the silver latch, and apparently Lectric didn't have the black one, so they sent this one to the previous owner of the bike for free. So it is what it is. Let's see, just gonna put it in here like so. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to get this thing in here, push up. As you can see, it comes up and goes back in there. So drop it down, start it up. So I pushed it up a little hard, not too hard, you don't want to break anything, and it's staying. So now I'm gonna take this little guy. I know the camera's not gonna pick that up, but yeah, the piece that goes back in here, I'm gonna thread it in and see what we got. And if that little I don't even know what you call it, the thing that holds this in, if it's up far enough, then this will thread all the way back in. If it's not far enough, it's not going to thread all the way back in. And it's high enough. Alright, that does not tighten, guys, so remember that. Don't go all the way in. I'm actually going to back it out a little. I'm just going to put it flush with the frame. Yeah, this is how I got it to come out. Just slam that a couple times, and it should work its way back down. But yeah, she's all fixed. Right there. Boom. That's all it is to it, guys. Guys, I just noticed on this little black piece, the only thing that broke was literally, it's not even broke, this little plastic lever right here. This piece alone is held in by a screw. So the frame latch itself was not broke. That screw literally just came out, and I guess they lost the little black piece that goes up here and the screw. So if you want to, you could take the screw out of here and just put this little guy on the entire black frame latch assembly. You would just take that screw out, pull this little guy off, stick it on here and put a screw in it. But I think it might look a little wonky with black and silver on it, so I'm just going to leave the silver on it. Doesn't bother me at all.